Hello, welcome to Linux administration classes. In this session, we are going to learn how to install basic package installation from the source file. Source file in the sense, consider there is a program which is developed by some third-party vendor. So that particular package need to get compatible to each and every operating system within the Linux. As we know that Linux is a widely used distribution with different kinds of flavors. It could be Red Hat, Debian, or else could be anything. So in this module, let's try to learn how to install the basic package using the source file. So this is the thing. Currently what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to download the following package called nmap. Nmap stands for Network Mapper, a widely used hacking tool for doing the basic port scanning. Okay, so let me copy this link. Open up the terminal. By using the wget, let me download this thing. So before that, let me create a directory mkdir demo install. So use the wget and paste the link. So you can see the download process has been initiated. So the current version which we are downloading here is 6.49, and moreover it is a beta 4 version. You can see beta A4 version. So this particular package has been compressed by using the bzip2. So what we need to do is we need to uncompress this. So as clearly mentioned within the documentation. So first of all, it is basically unzipping this particular package. Okay, so this is the first command. So let's try to use this. So you can see the extraction process has been initiated. So once extraction is done, all we need to do is we need to navigate into this particular nmap 6.4 directory. So let's wait for that. So you can see that it has created a directory called nmap 6.4.9 beta version. So either you can save this file within your system, or else you can delete it. So we know that to remove the file you need to use a command called rm nmap 6.49a4 .bz2. So it basically removes the file. So now we need to navigate into this particular directory. So for navigating into this, we need to change the directory to nmap. So cd for changing directory and the directory name. So let me do quick ls. So this is the following package called nmap. It is having the complete source code. Okay, so during the running of this particular program, it internally uses most of these C files as well as these header modules. So right now what we need to do is we need to compile it and configure it and install it according to this particular Linux architecture. Okay, so this is basically a 64-bit machine, so that we need to do the compilation process as well as the installation process according to this particular PC. So you can see here we are having the first installations. Okay, so this is called as a configure. Okay, so by using this thing we will configure the following package according to our system architecture. So as you can see, it is basically in the green color. That means already this particular package has been given the executable permissions. So take an example. If it has no permission for executing, what you need to do is you need to issue chmod. Okay, chmod plus x for executable and the package name. So you can get the executable permission. So now let's try to run this particular package /configure. So you can see it is checking all the system requirements, whether there is a GNU compiler, okay, and other dependencies are being there or not. So you can see the process has been initiated. It takes more or less than 2 to 3 minutes for the installation process. Still it's continuing. So the configuration process is done. Now we need to compile the following package. To do that, we need to use make. So you can see the compilation process has been initiated. You can see the GCC and all the other files. So you can see the file extensions, the object files as well as the C files. Few more seconds to go. You might be wondering why we are installing this tool. So at the end of the video, I'll show you a simple demonstration how to do the basic port scan. So let's take an example. There might be some 20 to 30 PCs. So in that case, you want to identify the list of services which are running on those target PC. So instead of manually checking on each and everything, so once if you collect the target IPs as an administrator from your PC itself, that is from the admin terminal itself, either you can do the direct port scanning as an authorized user and make sure that what are the port scanning which you have been performing from your end. Okay, so you need to possess the right kind of administrative privileges, and moreover, whatever the tool which we are discussing, it is a hacking distribution kind of tool. So takes more or less some 1 to 2 minutes. Let's wait. And finally, you need to do the installation. Type make space install. So you can see it is going to store the following file within the user bin install. Done. Right? So to check this thing, issue and map -v. So the current version which we are using is 6.49 beta A4. So this is the version. So let's initially try to do the basic scan on this particular IP. Either you can choose this particular ETH0 interface or else the loopback interface. It's up to you. So let's try to run the scan and map-service and sync scan. It's one of the option. We'll be discussing much in detail about this thing in the upcoming modules. Either you can press Control Shift C, okay, and Control Shift V. Control L for clearing the screen off, and SS. So you can see there are no services which are running on this particular PC. So let me start the web service Apache, which basically runs on port number 80. So let me run the same command, nmap-ss, and the target IP. So you can see port number 80 is open and the state is open and service is HTTP. So in other case, you want to figure out what is the version, which type of version it is, Apache, whether it is 2.3 or else 1.2, kind of that. For that, we need to issue small s and capital V and hit enter. So it gives you even the version number. So you can see the version here which is using is Apache HTTPD 2.4.10 and it is based on Debian, right? So in this video we came to learn how to install the packages manually by using the complete source code. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.